It's me. I'm Nindya Adriana Prameswari, and today I will be your English tutor. You know that every language has its own sentences. Usually, a sentence contains a subject and predicate in order to form a complete sentence or clause. But it's not just a subject and predicate. There are many levels within a sentence itself. This time, I will discuss and break down the structural levels within a sentence. To organize all of that, we need syntax. And what is syntax in linguistic? Syntax is a branch of linguistics that studies the rules and principles that govern the structure of sentences in a language. It focuses on how words are combined to form grammatical phrases, clauses, and sentences. Okay, before we study about syntax in linguistics, we need to know the purpose of studying syntax. First, to understand how words function together in meaningful ways. Second, to identify sentence patterns and structures. Third, to distinguish between grammatical and ungrammatical sentences. And what is grammatical and ungrammatical sentences? In linguistics, a grammatical sentence is one that conforms to the syntactic rules of a particular language. Such a sentence is generally acceptable and understandable to native speakers. Example, grammatical. The girl is singing a song. And then the ungrammatical like, girl, the singing is a song. That's not true. Okay, we move to the key concept in syntax. First, there is a phrase. Phrase is a group of words that function as a unit within a sentence. Example, the tall man. The tall man is a noun phrase. And then there's a clause. Clause is a group of words that contains a subject and a verb. Example, he runs fast. He is a subject and runs fast is a verb. And then the constituents. Constituents parts of a sentence that form a single unit. Syntax breaks sentences into constituents for analysis. And then there's a syntax tree or a parse tree. It's a diagram that shows the hierarchical structure of a sentence. So, this is the example of syntax analysis. There's a syntax tree, and then the sentences is the cat chased the mouse. I'm gonna break down the structure. So the first is the cat. The cat is noun phrase, but the is for determiner, and the cat is noun. So the cat is noun phrase. We have to add the determiner and nouns, so we can make the noun phrase with determiner and noun. And then chase the mouse. Chase the mouse is the verb phrase. Chase is also the verb, and the mouse is also the noun phrase. There is a determiner and the noun. Determinant is the, and mouse is noun, so it is a noun phrase. The last is, I want to read the conclusion. Syntax help linguistics understand how sentence structure works and how meaning is built through word order or hierarchy. It's essential for analyzing grammar and for understanding how languages are both similar and different. So that the material that we discussed about syntax in linguistics, hopefully it will be useful for us. Thank you for watching and bye-bye.